Hey guys, welcome back. So now we are going to talk about a software platform, a SaaS called Attio.com. Now Attio.com is an AI CRM that builds pipeline, accelerates every deal, and compounds revenue around the clock. Now, on a face, got your reviews that look very nice, and then you got benefit-oriented language that tells you the intelligent system that never sleeps, picks up leads at 2 a.m., catches renewals before they slip, hands you the answer before you talk. They've definitely researched their market and they definitely know what they're doing here. So I would give this homepage a very, very big round of applause. But then we have a place, we have then moving forward, does a beautiful homepage and does a flawless homepage convert? That's the first question. So now let's do a proper analysis here. So here we go, SEMrush. SEMrush tells us that organic traffic is 35,000 a month, but paid traffic is 320,000 a month. So 320,000 individuals are coming on this website and landing here every single month. Now, 320,000 individuals have the potential of paying these guys either a 14-day trial, £23 a month, £55 a month, per user per month, or custom. So with that in mind, let's analyze two things that I'd like to analyze today. Firstly, do we have the best user journey here to be able to accommodate for these 320,000 people that come every single month? So when you have that many people coming through, your job is to make two things happen. The decision to work with you to feel very easy and quick and as short as possible, and your user journey to support the user through the journey and make it feel as if they're at the end without before they even thought about reaching the end. Meaning it should be so easy that they shouldn't have a problem getting to the end, and there shouldn't be no friction points, and there shouldn't be no reason that they'd feel like not progressing at any moment in time. So here we have two pathways for them: the start for free and the talk to sales. Talk to sales would be if they're ready to purchase and they want to talk to sales, and start for free would be if they just want to try the demo out. So let's try both and see what these 320,000 individuals, users, potential customers would experience. So if we click on talk to sales, we end up with the contact form. Now, this is quite frankly disappointing, and let me explain why. According to industry averages, 70% of users, I've got the data somewhere here, 70% of users drop off our contact form because they don't want to wait 24 hours. They want to talk to someone then and there. Because right now, when you have brought people towards your business and towards your website on an impulse by showing them an ad and bringing them here, they are searching for it at that moment in time. People are very busy. They're searching for it at that moment in time. They want to put their information into here and book a consultation right now. They don't want to come to a contact form. So having this would have them having would basically give them a significant amount of drop-offs, because if the industry average is 70 to 80% of users drop off at a contact form because they just don't want to fill it, and they don't want to wait 24 hours for someone to respond to them. What they want is someone to straight away allow them to book a consultation and straight away book a time into someone's calendar, put that on their calendar and schedule that so it's done. That's what they want. So changing this from a contact form to a book a consultation through Calendly or something else like that would definitely increase conversions. Now let's talk about path number two. So start for free. Now, if we click on that, where does it take us? It takes us to a sign-in form. Now, here's another problem that I have. When it comes to SaaS products, the market is very, very, very. I mean, there's a lot of people in the market. So, what the form of reasoning that I would use here is that you need to show people the value first to be able to commit to anything. I don't feel like putting my details in here because I don't know what I'm gonna get. I don't even know if I'm gonna like this. How many SaaS products do you go through when it comes to this stuff until you decide which one you actually want? So my recommendation here to increase conversions would be the time to first value should be significantly less. There should not be a sign up here. What should be here is you go to the product, you see the demo, you might allow the prospect to do one or two, three things, and then after that, if they want to continue, after that, if they want to keep it, then they sign up. But you shouldn't take their information here because I understand you want to keep them and market to them, but they might not want to put the information in there because they don't want to commit to anything now. Now, these are two things that I picked up, and at a price of £23 per user per month, £55 per user per month. Let's pull out a calculator and calculate this. So, 23, let's just say complete bare minimum numbers. 23 times 12, £276 for the lowest. Now, 320,000, let's be conservative, 320,000 users times, let's just say they have a conversion rate of, actually, let's not assume anything, but let's just assume the number of people that may be dropping off at that particular place. Let's be conservative, 50%. Or let's just say 5%. 16,000 individuals are dropping off at that particular place. Now let's just say they get them 16,000 people back, and this is me being extremely conservative. Let's just say they bring those that 5% of users back. So 16,000 times 276, £4,416,000 in revenue they can bring back, and this is me being extremely conservative. £4,416,000 of revenue they can bring if they just changed these two things and made it easier for people to book. And made it easier for people to book a consultation with them, and made it easier for them to see a demo before they're interested. Now guys, I think that every company is trying to increase their revenue, and so making these changes would increase the revenue of this company significantly. And like I said, the main trap that a lot of founders fall into is if their website is beautiful and flawless, they believe that they're going to get inquiries. But unfortunately, inquiries focus more on the user journey than anything else. If you guys watch this video and you are interested in me doing an audit for you, and if you guys want to send this to them, be my guest. But otherwise, I'll be doing more of these, so stay tuned and watch what I do, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.